Amy, can I ask you something?
Of course, you can.
How have your two daughters been doing at school lately?
Not good at all. Jane never starts working, and Mary never stops working.
You are kidding, right? I hear that Mary is likely to win all the prizes in the exams this year.
Yes, so her teachers say. But she deserves to do well. She's always been so conscientious and hardworking. And she's been reading her books every evening for months. She wants to go to Harvard University next year.
Maybe she'll become a university lecturer herself eventually.
Maybe. But I think she studies too hard. I sometimes wish she'd go out and enjoy herself for a change.
Yes. What about the younger one?
Well, Jane's teachers say that she has ability. But they also say that she's too inconsistent and that she rarely does her best. In other words, she's not bad when she makes an effort, but she's too idle. She couldn't care less about exams. She does her homework in 10 minutes every evening. After that, she rushes out to play basketball.
She's crazy about basketball, isn't she? Perhaps she can make her fortune at it. You can make more money from sport than from an old-fashioned profession these days.
So I believe. But my husband always worries about our children's future. He wants Jane to give up basketball and study economics. But I don't believe in forcing girls to take up careers they're not cut out for. I wonder how Jane will develop in a couple of years.
You should let your children find their own way. Otherwise, I don't think they will be happy.
I agree with you. I will have a long conversation with my husband about our children's future.
Yes, you should. I'm sure your husband will understand you.
I hope so.
All right. Thank you for your hospitality. I have to leave now.
Thanks for stopping by. Take care.
You too.
Are you looking forward to your trip to United States, Rachel?
I can't wait to see United States. But I'm scared of the journey. My husband insists on flying. But I want to sail. Planes make me nervous.
There's nothing to be frightened of. How many planes fly across the Atlantic every day?
I've no idea. Hundreds, I suppose.
And how often do you hear of a crash? Once or twice a year?
I haven't heard about a crash in years. But airplanes fly so high and fast that once is enough.
There are more road casualties per day than air deaths per year. Air transport is really safe compared with road transport.
I'd still prefer to go by sea. Ships may not travel fast, but at least you can relax.
It's fine if you're a good sailor, but have you ever traveled far in a rough sea?
No, I have not. I've only been in a boat once. But in any case, I'd rather be seasick than flying.
You are really stubborn, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I just don't like flying.
Anyway, I hope that you will have a safe travel.
Thank you, Maria. I'll call you when we get there. What kind of gift do you want me to get for you from United States?
Can you buy me a cowboy hat?
Sure, I will. Why do you want a cowboy hat?
I'm a big fan of Western movies.
Oh, I see.